Hey, Vlad! You ain't gonna find a cleaner place. Buenas tardes.
Y toditos comen rosadito de la mejilla y la caspicara.
Ay, 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 ¿no?
Muy bonita la
Everybody knows everybody. Everybody calls you friend. Whoa! Oh! Everybody knows everybody. Everybody calls you friend. You don't need an invitation. Take off your shoes, come on in. Got a recycling rig on a motorcycle with a trailer behind the garbage truck. Here we are in downtown Cotacachi, 29 Saturday, October 2020, year of our Lord. Doing a little precious metals silver deal down here with a silver man. I think his name's Efrane or Henry. Hola.
Jack, I've got a 10.
Eh,
No, no.
I gave him 6. How much you got?
I got a 5, but he wants
One more.
let's see, I got a 10.
Okay.
yeah. Slide.
Give me a 10 and a 5. A 10.
10 and a 5.
With commerce is heavy this Saturday morning in Cotacachi. Garbage truck's got a little reluctant backup going on. Alright. It's been another. Here comes Robert Cain. Brought him all over the country in 2017 from Cotacachi down to Salinas, and he wound up doing a Cotacachi. Alright. Woo! But that's a birthday boy too, by the way. Alright. Until next time, Journeyman Jack in Ecuador signing off.